December 29th, West. On the West Coast today, impacts are modest but operationally relevant, as weak ridging keeps most terminals VFR, while low-level marine influence maintains pockets of coastal stratus and variable ceilings, especially during this morning push. Inland, dry air dominates, but a tightening surface gradient east of the Sierra and Rockies supports gusty winds and mechanical turbulence in favored passes and lee-side terminals, which may complicate climb and descent profiles despite clear skies.